Welcome to our quick guide on Scrum Events, the essential meetings that drive the Scrum framework. Scrum is structured around 4 main ceremonies designed to maximize team collaboration and project success. These include the sprint planning, where the team sets goals and tasks for the upcoming sprint, the daily stand-up, a quick sync-up to keep the team aligned each day, the sprint review, where work completed is presented and feedback is gathered, and the sprint retrospective, focusing on team improvement for future sprints. Let's dive deeper into each to understand how they help streamline project management. A sprint is a short, usually 2 to 4 week period, during which the Scrum team focuses on completing a set of pre-decided tasks from the product backlog. The purpose of a sprint is to break down complex projects into manageable chunks, allowing teams to build, test, and adapt products quickly and efficiently. This iterative process ensures continuous improvement and rapid response to changes, making it ideal for dynamic project environments. Sprint planning is where the team comes together to decide what to accomplish in the upcoming sprint and how the work will be achieved. This meeting is crucial as it aligns the team's objectives with the project's overall goals, ensuring everyone is on the same page. The process involves selecting tasks from the product backlog, breaking them into smaller, manageable activities, and estimating their effort. By the end of the meeting, the team commits to a sprint goal with a clear plan of action. This brief, daily meeting is designed to enhance team communication and efficiency throughout the sprint. Lasting just 15 minutes, the daily stand-up brings team members together to update each other on their progress since the last meeting, outline their plans for the day, and discuss any obstacles that might impede their work. This ensures that everyone is aligned and that challenges are addressed swiftly, keeping the sprint on track. The sprint review is a collaborative session where the Scrum team showcases the work they've completed during the sprint to stakeholders and the product owner. This meeting is not just a demonstration, but an interactive feedback session that helps guide the next steps of the project. It allows the team to discuss what went well, what could be improved, and how the product is evolving. This feedback is crucial for adapting the product backlog before the next sprint begins. The Sprint Retrospective is a reflective meeting where the team gathers to discuss what went well and what didn't during the past sprint. This meeting is crucial for continuous improvement, as it focuses on identifying effective practices to continue and challenges to address. By openly sharing insights and suggestions, the team works collaboratively to refine their processes, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness for future sprints. Thank you for joining us as we explored the fundamental ceremonies of Scrum. From sprint planning to the sprint retrospective, each event is designed to enhance collaboration, streamline processes, and drive project success in dynamic environments. We hope this series has provided you with valuable insights into how Scrum can transform your project management approach. Remember, the key to success in Scrum lies in continuous improvement and teamwork. Keep learning, stay agile, and apply these practices to achieve remarkable results. Thank you for watching, and please share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.